Okay, we are going to start question paper of the pure mathematics 2, and the exam was May June 2023. So let's move to the question number 1. Given that y is equal to 2x cos of x square plus 1, find the expression of y dy over dx. So we need to find the derivative of given function, and this function is comprising of the two function x and cos of x square plus 1. We need to use the product rule. So du v with respect to x is u derivative of v with respect to x plus v derivative of u with respect to x, and in this case u is x and v is cos of x square plus 1. Okay, so let's apply dy over dx is equals to the 6 times x cos of x square plus 1. So u, which is x, and derivative of v, which is derivative of cos of x square plus 1, plus v and derivative of u. So v is cos of x square plus 1 and derivative of u, which is x. And here derivative of cos of x is negative sine of x. So in this case 6 x times derivative of cos of x square plus 1 is negative sine of x square plus 1, and derivative of inner function. So derivative of inner function, which is x square plus 1, plus cos of x square plus 1 remains same, and derivative of x will be 1, and this one is equal to 6x, and this one is negative sine of x square plus 1, and derivative of x square plus 1 is 2x plus cos of x square plus 1, and this one is equals to the multiply by 6, so we will have negative 12x square sine of x square plus 1, and this one will be 6 times of cos of x square plus 1. So this is the required expression of dy over dx.